So today I'm going to show you this patient. It's a male, born 1974, and you can see based on the x-ray what the situation is and how we're going to adjust them. So first of all, taking a look at the cervical, it has a deviation in the cervical region right over here, which we have to start to adjust. And you can see that the thoracic, there's just some small deviations in the upper thoracic. So as we get to adjust all of this, we're going to try and make all of that straight. Looking further down, the major deviation is right over here in the mid to lower thoracic region. Yes, so this is where we need to work, and you can see by his muscle tone is really increased on that one side. And looking down on the lumbar, there is a slight deviation here, and that causes, when we take a look at the side view, you see how it causes a major compression on the L4 and the L5. So as we adjust them and also use the spinal decompression machine, we're going to be able to rehabilitate those discs very nicely. And looking at the pelvic region, so there is just slight misalignment. Yes, so we're going to be working on that as well. Looking at the cervical, we see there is loss of curve, deviation, also slight deviation to the front, right? And then what's happening, see, he's got some degenerations going on. And why these generations are happening is because this rotation here. So the body is restructuring the bones in order to protect the nerves. It's amazing. And once again, another source of toxification of the body, you have to look at the metal amalgam mercury teeth, which is always a problem, toxifying the body. So let's go. I'll show you how we're gonna adjust them. Let's go. The muscle tone on this side is higher. Sonic. There we go. Strong. Just relax. come from this side. So here, because it's the rotation, it's gonna go up and there we go. Rotation on there. That's it. So once again, guys, I'm here to give you a very important message. The reason why we create this content is because I realize that there is many people that have suffering with their health. They have spine problems, and there's not enough corrective chiropractors in the world, and there's definitely not enough creating content to be able to educate people. And so what I need you to do is we want to share this content to as many people as possible, to try and help as many people as possible. So I need you to share this video. I need you to give us a like on the video, and please subscribe, because we're going to be doing content on a regular basis. So when we come out with new content, you don't want to miss it, and you also want to ring the notification bell. We have also an Instagram account that you can follow me, and also send me a message if you need to get in contact with me. My Instagram is right below here at Chiro_Robert. I appreciate your support, guys, and we will see you on the next video.